friends to yet another healthy recipe video, and today we are just not gonna make a dish, we are gonna make a whole platter full of nutrition and healthy food. So today we are gonna make a grilled fish platter, for which I am using salmon fish, especially because it helps in weight loss. It has good fat for our body, and of course it helps for a glowing skin. So the fish in general helps for skin to glow. However, you can use bhetki or basa, but personally I won't suggest you to use basa because it is not cultivated in a very good environment. So let's start the process. So this is all the ingredients that we need to make our grilled fish platter. So of course we need the fish fillet, and like I said, I'm using salmon fish fillet. So the very first step is to marinate the fish, for which I'm using ginger garlic paste, black pepper, herbs. This is mixed herbs. If you don't have, you can use oregano, salt to taste, few garlic cloves, and lemon juice. Now then we'll just toss it in olive oil. If you want, you can use butter, but I'll be using olive oil. The second part is the mashed potatoes, for which I'm using 2 medium-sized potatoes. And the third part is the pan-tossed vegetables. Now for this you can use as many vegetables you want. I'm using carrot, beans, capsicum, bell pepper, and baby corns, for coriander leaves. Now this again depends on you. Whatever vegetables you are comfortable with, you can add them. The fish marination is done. Now we are going to leave it for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. Our fish is getting marinated and ready. We will quickly make our mashed potatoes. So here I am using 2 potatoes. I'll quickly peel them and I'll put it in pressure cooker and pressure cook it for like 15-20 minutes till the potatoes are ready. Our fish is getting ready. Our potatoes are getting ready. So now we'll start chopping our vegetables. This is the worst part of cooking, that is chopping. I don't like chopping at all, so but karna padega. So we are not going to overcook any of our vegetables or fish. We'll just cook it finely, otherwise we might lose on the nutrition. Next thing is, don't chop your vegetables too finely. We want them to be roughly chopped. So you can keep your carrots somewhat like this. We have carrot, beans and baby corns, and this we are going to boil or steam in water for like 2 to 3 minutes so that it's little softer. So here you can see my veggies are cooked and they are absolutely hot. I have just taken it out. The colors are still intact, which means it's not overcooked. If it's overcooked, you'll see it is discharging all the colors. So now the first thing we are going to do is pan toss our veggies. Use both olive oil or butter. So I am adding a little bit of butter so that it has a little buttery effect, because all other dishes are pretty bland. So here I have heated the butter. Now I am going to add a little bit of garlic and chili flakes. This is an option. If you want, you can absolutely exclude it. So our veggies are ready, our mashed potato is cooked and is getting ready, like almost done. So now we are gonna grill our or pan fry our fish. So you can also grill them in a griller, but fish is very delicate. It takes very less amount of time to cook. So be very careful if you are your fish in microwave. Here what we are going to do is we are going to pan fry. So for that we are going to use olive oil, a little generous amount. I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes. This is again optional. If you don't have or you don't want to use the red chili flakes, you don't have to use it. Well, I keep these packs from the pizza deliveries handy. Now I've just added a little bit of leftover garlic so that it gives a nice flavor. I am switching off. Here goes in my fish. Now I am going to leave it for some time to cook. I'll just cover it. Our platter, that is mashed potato. For mashed potato, I'm going to show you the authentic mashed potato recipe. So basically when I make it at home, I just keep the potatoes boiled and I just have it like that. But basically mashed potato is made with a little bit of butter and corn flour or maida, that is flour. So that is how I'm going to show you today. Fish platter is ready. Pair it with a cup of hot tea, coffee, and of course it goes great with red wine. Have it at any point of day, be that a Sunday brunch or a busy Tuesday afternoon or a relaxing Friday evening. It goes great at any point of time. You can make it a little more colorful by adding more vegetables like bell peppers of different color, broccoli, spinach, tomato, lettuce. So add in all the nutritious vegetables to it and make it look a little more colorful. Do let me know how you like the recipe and stay tuned and subscribe my channel, that is Happening Life of Sonia, for more exciting and healthy recipes. And wait, don't forget to like, share and comment. Till the next time, stay safe, stay healthy and eat healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.